Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, how are you? My name is Eleftheria and I'm a front-end developer that works with AngularJs. Today we are doing the daily UI challenge and I'm on day 23 out of 100. Today's theme is onboarding and I already have in my mind what I want to do for this project. I know yesterday's project, day 22, was something extremely simple, but today we are going to be a little bit more creative than yesterday. And also check out tomorrow's video. It's going to be released tomorrow, day 24, because I already saw the theme and I like it, and I think that tomorrow's theme is also going to be very interested. Okay, but now let's start working on today's theme, onboarding. First, I'm going to show you something that we did on day 21, which was the home monitor dashboard, and we also had done something similar for day 18. I think that today as well I want to work with something similar. If you remember, here we were using like these cards, the empty card title and stuff like that. So I will keep this thing open because I want to work again with something similar with cards. And just in the description box I am going to leave these two links for these two projects, as well as this one, which is the demos, and it's for cards. So my main idea is coming from the cards right here, and we've already have used it a couple of times, and if you have watched my previous videos, this one is going to be something easy for you as well. I'm going to have 3 cards, and so here I have my flex 1, flex 2 and flex 3. Each of these is a column. So I have my card here, and this time I'm not going to start with the title, but instead I am going to start with an image. I've already found my images just to be a little bit faster. So yeah, that is my first image, and now I can keep working, or I can continue working with the titles and stuff like that. So let's copy this part right here, and let's go after the image. I will have my title and then the title text, a span here with a headline, and instead of Wi-Fi I'm going to have an it, and this is for our text. I don't need anything else. Okay, cool. Now after the it headline I'm going to have another card with some actions. Let's go here again and let's find out about the actions. Okay, I'm going to copy this part right here, and again I'm going to paste it after the text, but okay, maybe it will be better to add also the title. And okay, now after the title I'm going to add the actions. This time I'm going to have a layout row, a layout, a line of start, and then a center. And here I'm going to change these two things just a little bit. So my first one is going to be skip, whereas the next one is going to be back. Okay, for this onboarding thing I wanted to create 3 layouts or 3 columns. So one would be like the first one, the second one would be the main one, and the third one would be like the last one. So that's why you have like this kind of buttons like skip and back. Okay, I need to add one more thing, which is going to be my content, and let's do that really quickly. I'm going to add it inside the paragraph. I didn't know what to add here, so you don't mind with this one. It's just the default one that I took from like this page right here. Okay, and that was it for our first card. I think that we can continue with the second one. Oh yes, and I will copy this part right here that it's inside the empty card, just to be also a little bit quicker here. Okay, let's change the image because I don't want to have like the same things twice. Maybe I can do it like that, and also change that to sleep. Okay, I think this is quite better. And what else do we have? Again, maybe let's change the buttons to back and continue. And I'm going to leave the same content here. I don't think that it matters even if I change it. Okay, and last but not least, we have our third column, or our third series of onboarding. And for this one, the theme is rave. Okay, so let's add it like here, and this time my buttons will be maybe back, and this time is going to be a repeat. I don't want to have the continue because let's say it's the last one. And we also have to add an image. I have found a quite cool image, so let's add it right here. Okay guys, and now I think that we are done. What do you think? Wasn't that quite quickly and easy? And it does look like an onboarding thing. I mean, I'm really happy with the result. We can always do more, but if you want to do something in a small period of time, I think that there are some good solutions. And again, I'm not saying that this is the best thing, but for an onboarding, you really don't want a lot of things. You basically want maybe an image. This is not true that you will want something like that. You want a title, maybe some buttons and some extra information, but this is basically what you need for an onboarding thing. So thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial with AngularJs and MaterialUI. If you have any question, as always, leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, have an awesome day, and don't forget to code just a little bit.